Joining us now, Ms. Gautami, ma'am, thank you very much for your time. What is your key objection to the speech made by Mr. Thirumal Vadavan?
Is this something that I have to be asked now? Is not
He
everybody
says he was only quoting what is given in Manusmriti. It's not his views.
has that? It is not the what is expected of a responsible leader who has a voice in society, whether political or otherwise, to even bring up certain issues which they know will be not only inflammatory but derogatory and also weaken the already very precarious position of women in the society, and in a way which makes them very vulnerable to all kinds of misinterpretation and all kinds of the perception of women in the society is already shaky.
Don't you think he's actually batting for respect, justice and equality for women actually?
Certainly not. Certainly not. If he is, this is definitely not the way to go about it. And if that is his intention, he has completely missed the point.
Lastly, many would say this would also means curbing his freedom of expression.
Curbing his freedom of expression, the hallmark and I would say the definition of personal responsibility is my freedom of expression ends where somebody else's vulnerability and safety and their respect begins.
And do you accept that whatever he says are present in Manusmriti?
I would definitely vehemently deny that, because everything that I have known, seen or even heard, discussed, been brought up with, all the scriptures advocate the highest and deepest regard for women in society and also state explicitly that a home or even a country that does not respect and protect their women are ones that are due to be doomed.
He also cites these portions actually from Manusmriti.
It's not a question of saying, I will say what I want to say, but I will also say something else to kind of make up for this. When you have said something that is extremely derogatory and something that makes the position of women in an already precarious situation where women are subject to such horrendous sexual violence and all kinds of violence day in and day out, and you have the entire country rising up to raise one voice against this violence against women, and you go and make such a public platform out of making women, getting women to be labeled in such a it's difficult to even find the words.
Lastly,
the depths to which this has sunk.
Lastly, Tamil Nadu is also known for its rationalist thinking and communal harmony. Is the BJP trying to make an issue out of a non-issue?
How can you say that this is something that has to do with communal harmony?
The BJP...
No. Does any mother, when they're feeding their child, when they're doing whatever they need to, giving their life's blood for their family,
The
do you think that
BJP leaders have said these comments could trigger communal violence clashes in Tamil Nadu? That's why I'm asking you.
it can be taken to any level if we do not raise our voice now at this point. And what is the most despicable thing about this is women have been targeted. Women who are the backbone of every family and of this society, who give of themselves selflessly. I challenge you to find people who will say, I have never been impacted positively by a woman in my life. A woman gives life and sustains life.
Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. That was Ms. Gautami talking to us in Chennai with camera person Edwin, Sam Daniel, for NDTV.